Hey, how's it guys? Back at Inanda. Yeah, lacquer overcast day, no wind. So yeah, hoping for some nice topwater action. Start off with the frog. Got Jason and Johan fishing with us again today. So yeah, let's get into it. Henry showed me a spro frog, Jason. Yeah. Yes, bro. Exactly the same as this, yeah, but just a popping frog.
Yeah, and it's fucking
yeah, same thing.
Fucking lacquer, that thing fucking sits, bro. Wow.
Okay.
Bring on, I send it, man. But you know what? I want one of those.
Okay, guys, there's the first frogfish. Oh yo. There guys, decent little one, nice and warm to the touch. I think we're going to be in the game here today. Thanks, Wiki. You want one of those hooks, eh?
Yeah, I do.
There's one.
Have you got one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me carry on here. If it keeps on getting stuck, then yeah, I just don't like this hook that I set up that I got.
That's the only problem with these frogs though. Once that happens, it's a goner. Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, moenie fokke en dinge.
Wheel needs to be serviced. Oh! Check it. Huh? Oh, come on, man. Just pull this off the front here, Jay. Shit.
One more.
It's off. Yo, bro, it hit it. It hit it hard. Okay, let me see if I can get him again. Alright, not in the same place. Shit. Damut. What are you fishing with, Jan? I don't know. Stuck in the grass. Come out. Still on. No, I came off. But I was fighting there. Shit. No, I was on. I could feel it fighting. Damn it! Yes, these frogs are. I thought I had enough. Now I'm not so sure. Hey guys, eventually had to go off. Smallies, but you can't take a picture of this bass, bro. Smallie, bro.
Oh fuck, don't worry.
No. Here goes. Another one on the frog. Oh, liking that one, another little one. Even the small ones are taking it to, you know? Nice. But you said it, just tapping you. Okay. I can get it out for you. Oh, hold on. Ah! It's shooting at the dam. Yeah. There we go. Yes, yeah. Oh, I knew it was. Mojo baby bass.
Mojo baby bass. Weightless baby bass.
Catches baby bass.
I think it's going to be 800 kilo jobbies are still good fun.
No, they're fun, but hey, we.
You know what we do.
Ooh-yo. Down from the deep. Right, give yourself some slack, Jan.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh shit! I was on and then off. Oh, I'm still on. Yeah. Off. Now I'm off. Yes, these things are wild, Papa. But I want one on the frog. And I'm going to get it here in this bay. No, this is his laati. Steven. Ik noem hem Steven. Say hi, Steven. Just see through the nose. Check out that hook set. Sheesh. Okay, there we go. Thanks, Steve. Butterflies. That's number 6. No, I'm just talking on frog.
On this frog, yeah.
This is like 6. And another one into the graveyard. This is getting expensive. Now I'm going to buy that Spro one, bro. It's got the exact same back legs, but they stretch. And then the front is like a hard rubber, exactly like I commented on last night. But the Spro one's a bit better. So, but 205 Rand a pop. But Henry said he's caught like 30 fish on that. So
Maybe we should just go this afternoon and check for thingy.
on the way back,
Yeah, check for that
line.
Fluke.
Rolling down the deep. Oh, here comes another set of rain. Another set of rain. Oh! Yes! Hey! Come out of there! No. Shot boy, okay. Okay, this is Steve's brother Greg. Say hi, Greg.
Hi, Greg. Father.
Just see that now these fish are on, they're starting to get excited. Okay guys, that one smacked me nice and proper on that frog. Bye Greg, thanks for coming.
Boy and boy.
Jesus, bro.
And hello to hello Lure Freaks, how's it Bass Warehouse? We'll see you this afternoon.
Yeah. Because look at that, like I said, it's a frog burial ground.
That's that one. There's another one here in the front.
Terrible. Yes, boy. That's number 7 on the frog, huh? Oh, you got it on yours, huh? Two types of bass, big old good ones and the good old big ones. No, it's balanced in the one. I'll take that spot. Rolling down in the deep. Oi! Oi! Boom! Where? Net, net, net! Net 'n kleintjie! It's one little bit of stress relieved off the mind. For me, the thing that causes me the most stress is getting off the water because I'm having so much fun. That's what causes the most stress to me. Okay guys, put a good old trusty jerkbait. You can see this one's had better days, missing an eye, but we'll give it a go. How's the sauce head, right? Good move, Jason. Rolling down the deep. Fuck. Can't leave the jerk. Wee. I got hit twice before I even pulled this. Oh. Ooh. Ja, net. No, this is a net worthy one. Oh no, I just hooked it funny. How did I hook this thing? You see, look how I hooked this one. How the hell did that happen, guys? I lassoed it. I lassoed this fish, bro. Yo, bro. Check here, it's not even hooked. Check how that thing was fighting, it was just going down. It's pulling it sideways. Oh, there must be some fish there. As I jerk it and leave it, these things chow it. It's a bit of a better one. Another one in the rain. Jason, you have to move this thing, huh? You have to like twitch it. We're catching it on the fall of the twitch. Okay boys, that's the one I was looking for just before we got home. We missed the hookup, but yeah. Nice bass, probably about 1.3, 1.4. Yeah. Okay.
Nice one.
That's okay. Yeah, how's it guys? Welcome back to Team B. Back from that Inanda trip. Wow, what an epic trip. We had so many good catches that day, just a lot of fun. Eh? So yeah, just some advice to those guys who are trying to get their children into fishing or first time bass fishermen. Now's the time. If you want to have a good time, go down to Inanda, throw some flukes around. There's a lot of fish to be caught there. Yeah, so basically just want to go through some of the stuff we used, why I used them and where we used them, and a little bit of information around that. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Fluke. I know the last couple of episodes I've been using this, but I haven't really explained why. So this is a new brand that I bought from Bass Warehouse. You can sort of see the color there, baby bass color, straightforward. It's just got a black fleck at the top. Then the other makes that you get a little bit more translucent. This is a McCarthy Tiddler, and you can see there it's got sort of a gold fleck in it as well as the black. So yeah guys, they both work. I don't think they were really too fussy. The reason I think that these are working so well at the moment is because these bass have all spawned, right? And when they spawn, that fry comes out, those little baby little hatchlings, and the first thing they do is they go look for cover. Otherwise they just get eaten. There's plenty little fish and stuff that prey on these little baby bass, including the bass themselves. So these little fish head into whatever structure or cover that they can find to get a bit of protection from. So what we were doing is we were finding isolated patches of grass, some big sticky areas that had a drop off nearby. And what actually happens is these little baby fry, they go into the structure, and as soon as they come out too far, where these other small bass or bass in general can ambush them, they come and they get eaten. So that's what we were doing. We were just throwing these flukes next to a grass pile or some structure close to a drop off, and as that thing sank, these fish were just hitting it. So yeah, I think that's the reason why they're doing so well, in my view anyway. And yeah, give it a try guys, it's really working well at the moment. I didn't throw many baits on this trip because it was so busy. I didn't really need to. I really like a topwater bite. I think all us bass fishermen enjoy that. It's a really cool feeling when something smashes your lure off the top. And yeah, one of the best ways for me to do that is this McCarthy frog. I might sound like I'm repeating myself, but guys, this thing really works. It's a buzzing frog from McCarthy. This is a black and green pumpkin. So black on the top, green pumpkin at the bottom. Doesn't really matter. I've caught them on June bug, I've caught them on black, but the darker colors for me seem to do the trick. Only thing that I've found that improves the hookup ratio when fishing this frog is these gripping hooks. I bought the mustard version, as you can see there. Okay. I don't know if you noticed, they're also quite pricey. It's about 20 Rand a hook, you get 5 in a pack. But guys, that little gripping with the frog, it stops that frog from moving forward or backwards. So when they hit it, that hook stays pretty stable. It doesn't move forward or backwards. And for me, I just found this really helps, and it improves the hookup for me. Alright, so yeah, that frog we also fished over submerged grass, and a lot of the times that I found, you'll find pockets in these grass patches, and you'll pull it over the grass. These fish tend to pick up that vibration over the top of the grass, and they follow it, and as soon as it comes into like an open patch or pocket in that grass, they absolutely smash it. And yeah, like I said, if you haven't experienced, it's really something to experience. It's the best feeling in the world. Alright guys, so that's it from me. Yeah, we've just, like I said, Inanda's been amazing at the moment. And yeah, I think you guys, if those of you who haven't fished it or are looking for a good time, go down and have some fun. Until next time guys, cheers, keep up.